Today we'll be looking at how to do stock-ins. As an example, we'll be restocking our canned drinks. Go to the Inventory tab on the left side of the menu and click on it. Choose which location you want to add the stock-in and click on the stock-in button at the top. This is the stock-in menu. Click on the New Stock-in button on the top right hand corner and you'll see two options: Add Product and Import from File. There are actually two ways to add a stock. The first method is pretty straightforward. Click on Add Product, search for the product you wish to add, create a reference number, and key in the quantity and cost price. Once you're done, save, and that's it. The second method is to actually fill in the stock in a predefined template. Choose the Import from File button and download the template file. Fill in the necessary detail, in this case the SKU, the cost price, and the quantity. Save and upload it into the system. Don't forget to create a reference number for recording purposes. And we're done. So if we were to move over to the inventory list, we'll now see that the numbers have all been updated.